How to install. Remove the instrument and all accessories. The instrument is relatively large in size, so please handle with care when removing it. Installation of the articulating arm. The counterweight of the articulating arm has 3 parts. First, use a tool to tighten the middle part onto the main rod of the articulating arm bracket. Finally, use a tool to tighten the rear part of the counterweight onto the middle part. Remove the tape from the light output port and screw the light guiding arm cylinder. Ensure it is tightly fastened, as a loose connection may affect light output. Install the main rod of the articulating arm onto the light guiding arm cylinder, then rotate and tighten. Installation of the anti-collision strip. Attach the anti-collision rubber strip to the main rod of the articulating arm. First, remove the screws. Align the rubber strip with the slot, then secure it with the screws. Installation of the handpiece holder. Insert the provided screws through the holes in the handpiece holder. Align them with the screw holes on the main rod of the articulating arm, and tighten with a tool to secure. Installation of the focusing handpiece. Connect the focusing handpiece to the articulating arm by rotating and tightening the interface. Align the arrow on the cable connector of the focusing handpiece with the arrow on the metal rod interface of the articulating arm. Then insert until a click sound confirms a proper connection. Place the handpiece on the holder, adjusting the counterweight angle and direction. Rotate the knob counterclockwise about 6 to 7 turns. Press firmly, and adjust the counterweight angle. Set the counterweight to the desired angle. Release the knob, then rotate it clockwise to tighten, adjusting the counterweight horizontal position. Instrument water filling procedure. Unscrew the cap from the water inlet part. Insert the hose funnel into the inlet. Unscrew the cap from the overflow part. Screw the caps back onto both the water inlet and overflow part. Instrument drainage procedure. Remove the drain part screw cap. Unscrew the overflow part cap to allow airflow. Water will flow out from the drain part until fully emptied. Filter replacement every 6 months. Use a screwdriver to remove the rear panel screws and detach the metal plate. Twist and remove the filter cup along with the old filter cartridge. Clean the filter cup thoroughly. Insert the new filter cartridge and securely twist the cup back into place. Reattach the metal plate and tighten the screws.